guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good, having fun. So for today's video, it's a very random video. I was just getting ready to go to my friend's house, so I just thought of why not just make a video, obviously. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, as you know, my hair is already tied up out of the way. So next we are going to use first step we are going to use is a primer. It's a color bar primer. I hope you can see. Since we don't have much of time, I'm just going to be very random. Okay. So I do have like a open pores and like a combination skin. So I like putting primer on my T-zone probably and then just drag everything out. Okay. Oh, by the way, my stuff is all here, so please don't mind if I'll just keep on going here. Got it. Okay, so since the primer is done, we are just going to use this Nykaa stick. Like, I love this Nykaa stick. Okay. Since I cannot, okay. I'm just going to use, I have, by the way, two sticks. One is in the shade 03 and 02. So for the lightest shade, I'm going to use it under my eyes and probably wherever you need to highlight your face. Like so. Okay. Since I'm wearing a little deep neck. And for the darker shade, I am going to be applying it right here, like wherever I want the shadows to be. Okay, like this is very random. I hope you guys can see properly and I'm just not making a mess. Okay, that's about it. And then my taking Real Techniques brush and just blending everything. Okay, I'm just being very random about it. By the way, guys, never forget your just blend it towards your hairline, like so. Don't ever forget that. And obviously not your neck. Do not forget your neck and yours. Otherwise you will look like an alien, trust me. You look like an alien. Just okay. I think we're all done. Oh, I did not put a lip balm. For the lip balm, I'm going to use this Neutrogena lip balm. Okay. Up next for the blush, I'm going to use the Benetint, obviously. Tell me something new that I don't know. Okay, just patting it right there. Blush of very natural and minimal. Okay. So set my foundation. I'm going to use this Etude House contouring palette in the shade Golden Brown. Again, taking the same Real Techniques brush and taking this shade right here and lightly just dusting off. By the way, guys, I'm very random about this, so please. Okay, now taking this shade right here, taking my brush again, and see, just slightly contouring, giving the structure to my face. See, now you'll see the difference. I hope you can. Like, this has slight bit of contour, and this is like bloated out. I'm going to use this Nykaa liner. By the way, I'm very random about liners. I don't really like putting a black eyeliner or normal liners and stuff. So everything I'm doing just for you. Okay, so I'm going to come closer to the camera. I'm not really particular about. Okay, since I've applied the liner, then I'm just going to take my ring finger and blend. Like I'm just going to smudge it. Okay, like you just need to do spread your eyes and just blend. I hope you guys can see what am I trying to do. Okay. So up next, I am just going to use the contouring shade. Again, taking my ring finger and just blending on top of that black. Okay, for lipstick, I have applied Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the shade 16 by Sugar Cosmetics. So this is how it looks like. I hope you can see. Yeah, like that. So yeah, that's my complete look. So as you all know, I'm running extremely late. I think that's about it. Yeah, got it. This is behaving so bad. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. As you all know, I'm running really late and this was a very random video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and if you want to see more such videos, still go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Obviously, that's the point. Alright, so until next time, bye. See you.
I gave you my heart.